Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be my March Boxycharm unboxing. This is actually a huge box this month, so if you guys want to see what's in my box for March, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the weight of my box this month is 1.44 pounds. This actually is like the same size of a Boxycharm premium box. I'm pretty sure this is just my regular Boxycharm. I do get Boxycharm as PR. I just get a notification when it's coming in the mail, and I didn't hear anything about a Boxycharm premium, but it's literally the same size. So I wonder if there's just like a bigger palette in here this month. Yeah, this is definitely just like my regular Boxycharm. Alright, so the theme this month is pretty edgy, and the number that I got is 46. The first thing that I see in here is weird. This is from a Spongel. This is a French lavender body wash infused buffer. Okay, so some kind of body product. All right, so I think this is just like a sponge that's infused. Well, that's what it says. A sponge that's infused with body wash for the shower. This is so random. This is like one of the most random things I've ever gotten. I kind of want to open it. I feel like I'm definitely going to use this. Oh, that smells really nice. It's actually a little bit overly scented, like it's making my nose itch. Yeah, it's just a cleanse, exfoliates, hydrates, massages. Place sponge under water, squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so it's just like a body sponge with soap inside. I'm not that excited about it. I'm interested in this because I feel like this is one of those like random, super random products. Hopefully that's just like a filler product, but I'm actually gonna use this like today in the shower. Didn't know I needed that. All right, next up, this makes it a little better. I see a product from Murad. This is, oh, an eye cream. Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Murad's also a little bit pricier, and I really like their products. I don't get enough of their products. This actually looks really cute. So definitely gonna use this whole thing up. I love eye creams. I love getting eye creams because I don't like to buy them. They're always very pricey. Ooh, this one looks like really rich. Let me like swatch it a little because that way you guys can see. Yeah, definitely more of like a thicker formula. Smells like absolutely nothing, but it actually feels very hydrating for sure. It's actually not super thick like I have the Kiehl's eye cream. That is like you only use that at night because it's so thick. This I can use morning and night. It feels actually really nice. All right, and then the price point on this product is $70. So it's a very expensive eye cream. The body buffer product, this thing is $16. This is such a filler product to me. Like, it's almost comical. I'm not even mad at it because this is the most random thing I've ever gotten in a subscription box. Like, I could do my dishes with this thing. All right, next up, this is from the brand Living in Color. Is that the brand? Oh, Hank and Henry. I've heard of this brand before. I think I've tried like 1 or 2 products from them in Boxycharm like years ago. So I'm thinking this is gonna be a eyeshadow palette. Yeah, let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is cute. Wait, I actually like these shades. I was not expecting to like the shades. Like, these are actually really cute shades. Let's see. I can tell on first swatch. Oh, these are gonna be good. Yes. Like, you know when you could just swatch a palette and you could tell it's gonna be really good. Just see some of the, I mean, I just primed my hand with some eye cream so that it might swatch a little bit better, but you can see there's gonna be color payoff, pigmentation when these shadows. Let me swatch a couple of the matte shades too. Actually, these shimmers up here are really gorgeous as well. Let me grab some of those. Let's go for this matte. And then also basically kind of like the whole palette right here. Oh, like just this color combo is so pretty. Not the best swatch of that blue, but these colors are all right up my alley. Like, I will wear every single one of these shades, so I definitely want to try this out. The packaging is like a little bit bulky for me for how like small the shadows are, and then we also get a mirror here as well, but this is actually a really cute palette. Living in Color by Hank and Henry. So just a little info about the palette. It's inspired by the late 90s, early 2000s MySpace realness. Each of these eyeshadows can be worn by itself or blended out, and it retails for $27, which is a really, really awesome price point. Like, these actually look really good. I think from Hank and Henry in the past, I've tried out like their eyeliners and maybe like a lip product or two, but not eyeshadows. All right, so the next product in here, I'm not sure how I feel about, because this is from Kat Von D. It actually says Kat Von D on here, but it says KVD Vegan Beauty on the little card. I'm a little annoyed. I'm actually not even going to open this or use this. It's in blonde. And I think, you know, Kat Von D rebranded to KVD Vegan Beauty. I can't even remember. KVD Vegan Beauty, and they bought out Kat Von D. So I believe her brand is now fully owned by Sephora, and they did announced that Kat Von D won't get any of the profits from her brand anymore. But in here on the card, it says KVD Vegan Beauty. So I was expecting it just to say that, but it still says Kat Von D on the brow pencil. So I'm wondering, they're probably just getting rid of like all of their old packaging and all of their, let me actually just open this to see what the inside looks like, because I'm wondering if it says Kat Von D on the inside. Yeah, it still says Kat Von D. So I'm thinking, that's annoying. Like, I think they're just getting rid of old product, and especially because there's like controversy with Kat Von D, I feel like it's kind of like, I feel a little annoyed about that product actually. I'm not gonna use it. It's in blonde, and I didn't really want old Kat Von D makeup. So let me know if you guys got products from KVD Vegan Beauty. Like, I'm not upset about that, because if they're rebranding and it's a completely new brand, then that's fine. But like, if I'm getting leftovers from an old Kat Von D brand where there's like a lot of drama behind that already, let me know if you guys ended up getting the Kat Von D stuff or the KVD Vegan Beauty branded products in your Boxycharm. All right, so lastly, hopefully this makes up for that last product. This is from Becca. This is a glow gloss in the shade Champagne Cream. I think this is probably a lip gloss. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, this is super, super pretty. This one is very like, the shimmer is very, very fine, so you could barely tell, but you can probably see a little bit of reflect. And then this is like the peachy tone. I like shades like this. Let me maybe add a little bit to the center of my lip, because I feel like, yeah. And it is one of those plumping lip glosses. I like when there's different layers of shimmer in a lip gloss. Like, I like something that's super, super shimmery, like a Jouer lip topper. And then I like lip glosses like this, where it's not necessarily going to give you like that glittery reflect, but it's going to add a little bit of dimension and a pop to your lips. And then I do feel like that plumping effect as well. I like this color. I'm definitely going to use this for sure. That's everything in my box for this month. I'm still confused why I got this giant Boxycharm premium size box for like a regular Boxycharm. I don't know if it's because this sponge was so big. I don't know, you guys. This was kind of like a weird box, but I did actually get some things that I'm really excited about. Like the lip gloss I'm going to use all the time for sure. This is going to be one of my staples. I already know that I like the Becca formula. The eyeshadow palette I was happy and like surprised about, because I saw this and I'm like, oh, I don't know if I'm going to like this palette. But all of these shades, oh, I would love, like, this color combination needs to be like the color combination of 2020. Like, I love blues and purples mixed with some warm tones. Like, I love that so much. It's definitely my color palette for sure. And then the Murad eye cream, I really like. I feel like I say Murad weird. Let me know if I say it weird in the comments, but I'm excited to use this as well. I love getting their skincare products in my Boxycharms. These, I don't know which one I'm the most mad at. Like some leftover Kat Von D packaging in blonde, and I don't even want this. And I definitely don't want this. This sponge is just amusing to me. I'm still gonna use it for sure. I'm actually probably gonna end up loving this sponge, but I wasn't getting my Boxycharm thinking like, man, I could really use a sponge that's infused with body wash. Like, that's the part that I find comical, because every time I get Boxycharm, I'm like excited to try out some new eyeshadow palettes and not necessarily sponges. But let me calculate the total of everything and let you guys know the value of my box this month. All right, so the total value of my box this month is $156. So it's around the average price of my usual Boxycharm. Sometimes it ends up being like $100 more than that, but it just might be like one random skincare product. But I think this was a pretty good value. Like, I'm really happy, especially with the eye cream, the eyeshadow palette, and the lip gloss. Let me give you some of the prices because I don't think I told you guys everything. So the eye cream was $70, the brow pencil was $21, the eyeshadow palette is a really good deal, it's $27, the Becca lip gloss is $22, and then the sponge is $16. So that's everything in my boxes month. Some hits, some misses, like epic misses to me, but overall I'm actually pretty happy with it, especially like the eye cream makes me so happy because I just love getting high-end skincare for sure, and I like getting high-end skincare that I actually know the brand of. And then I'm really excited about the eyeshadow palette because I haven't been getting a lot of eyeshadows in my Boxycharms in the last couple months, and I'm excited about that one for sure, and the lip gloss. So overall, I'm pretty happy about it. I feel like those products make the value of the box for me. Like, even, yeah, if I think about the prices, this is total about $120 or so. So that's enough for me to like think this box was worth it. So that's gonna be everything for this month's Boxycharm. If you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate link with them, so I'll leave that below. Otherwise, you could just go to the Boxycharm website and sign up there. Definitely let me know what you guys ended up getting in your boxes this month as well. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.